Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Never talk defeat. Use words like hope, belief, faith, and victory. Norman Vincent Pearl. Market wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 99, NASDAQ off 37, S&P's down 10, gold contract down $10.70, trading at $1,281 an ounce. Silver down 10 cents at $17.37 an ounce. Platinum down $9 at $1,056 an ounce. Copper down 3 pennies at $2.18 a pound. Light sweet crude up 22 cents at $43.88 a barrel. Bonds. The 10-year note up 7 ticks, 130.16. 30-year bond up 23 ticks, 164.18. King dollar up 309 ticks, trading out at 93.24. The euro is down 6 at $1.14, and the yen is up 33 at $1.06. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so if we take a look at the SPY, what you have out here is this. We go back to the 29th of April. 29th of April, the SPY hit a low of $205.03. We broke that today. On April 29th, we had 142 million. Today, we did 85 million, okay? So we took that out. On price, we didn't take it out on volume. So it's not an ABC structure on the way down. What you do have, however, is that you have a trend that's going down, and that is setting up the next leg down, which inside the SPY, we're 205, it's 202.81. And the correlation goes like this. So when we came down, folks, on the 29th, you came down with the 142 million. When we went topside, Monday, you did 62 million. You can see the correlation. There's no buyers at higher price. So I expect what you're going to see is you're going to see the market continue to go down, and we'll see whether we get an expansion of volume. Inside the actual indice out here, what we had is this. We did 1 billion shares, so we got an expansion of volume inside the indice. It was 1 billion versus, or 1,019 versus 1 billion. NDX 100. What do we have with the NDX 100? Same type of setup inside the NDX 100. The NDX 100, we're at $105.05. The low of the 29th is $104.88. So what I expect you're going to see here inside the NQs is that the NQs want to jump the creek of $104.88. We got to 104.79. Bottom line, same type of setup, meaning you've gotten to lower price. When the Qs try to bounce, they bounce on 24 million shares. You're coming down with juice. And after the close out here today, there's going to be plenty of equities that are coming out with numbers that are going to push this market all over the place. Gold contract, what do we have with gold? Gold contract, rejected lower price, has lighter volume. We did 205,000 contracts today. You got to a low of 1273. The breakout area is 1267. Couldn't handle it. Couldn't get down to that price. The volume characteristic is 270,000 contracts. So we came down into the 1273. You're at 1281 right now. Bottom line, gold is still building cause. Well, gold is already a confirmed ABC structure on the way up. When we broke topside last Friday, you broke with volume. Taking out the B point, it's a longer term one, but bottom line, that's what you have. Silver, what do we have with silver? Silver, I really like how silver acted today, and what silver did is this. Silver also rejected lower price, had lighter volume. The silver contract got down to $17.21. We did volume of 49,000 contracts versus, I believe it was 72. Yeah, versus 72,000. And the low of when we broke topside on the silver is $17.18. We got to $17.21, rejected it, wants higher price, and I expect that's exactly what you're going to get. Now, let's go over to the notes. These notes, bottom line, are saying that they want higher price, lower yield. And this is going to get really wild because the notes have been trying to, the 10-year notes have been trying to take out the 130.19, and they've been trying to do that for about 7 days. Now, they haven't taken it out yet, but I expect you're probably going to see it tomorrow, and this is why. The last few days, they failed, okay? We had done 1.3 million contracts yesterday, going into 1.2. Bottom line, today you get lighter volume, but you're hanging right at the top of the downtrend, downdraft from April 20th. So I expect you can see that get into it, up into it. We'll see whether it can handle it. I suspect it probably is, and that probably just has to, or probably has to do with the idea that the market wants lower price. King dollar. We take a look at King dollar. What you have with King dollar is this. King dollar had traded down yesterday to the 91.88 area. You have high volume down at that area. We did a bounce today of 299 ticks. We did that with 30,000 contracts versus 32,000. So right now you're at 93.23. King dollar is going to need a lot more volume to get up and not do an additional ABC structure on the way down. Right now, bottom line is that, you know, I can make the case it's an ABC structure on the way down. We'll see what kind of bounce it has tomorrow. If you get volume contracting tomorrow, you get yourself another ABC structure on the way down. The dollar the last 6 months has been going one way. We were at 5 months ago, you were at 100. We got down to the 91.88 area, and that area, by the way, broke the long-term consolidation that the dollar has been in, and that is problematic in spades because there's not much underneath this 92.50. That was the high volume swing low from August 24th rather. It broke it. It broke it with conviction, and you know, until this contract has to show that it can get to higher price. So we'll see if, in fact, it can get to higher price. My take is that it's not going to happen. Why? Because the Fed, folks, bottom line, is not going up on rates. The market itself is not going up on rates, and that's saying that it's really easy, you know, for lower prices in all currencies across the world. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming back with some numbers for you. We get a lot of numbers that have and will come out after the close, or right now.